little man. This is later on that day. Very awake. Huh? Are you very awake? Tell me a story. Yeah? Wave those arms. Oh. Oh, not the hiccups. Oh, you haven't had them all day. Oh. Oh, big sigh. Yeah. Oh. 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 Oh, that's uncomfortable, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Moving your feet? Huh? Yeah. What did we do today? You haven't been sleeping well, have you? Nap here and a nap there. Can we smile? Through the hiccups? No, too hard. Oh, maybe a little later. Oh, hey, you gonna look at Mama? Oop, I'm cutting off your head. Hey. Stick that tongue out. That's right. Alright, maybe we'll do some more later. When you're smiling and talking. Oh. Oh. Oh, bless you. Yeah. Tell me all about it. Oh, yeah? Oh. Okay, want your bubble?